家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。我正想说，我今天心情不错，你为什么在哭呢？
不是啊，看天样的事情没有感动，看电视没黑啊，
感动到哭了。
对啊，有时候看那个电影啊，或是看电视剧啊。
哎呀，你好入戏哦。
当然，我心魔耶啊。
That's right. Sometimes we cry because we watch a movie or a TV series and it's so moving that we start to cry, right? 哭很多时候是因为剧情的感动，或者是说小朋友找不到爸爸妈妈的时候，我记得我小时候常常会哭找不到。对，你很懂哦。好 ，Let's teach you this, okay? How to cry? 哭。Gil. This TV series was so moving it made me cry non-stop. 这部影集好感动，让我哭个不停。
要出样片，懂感通。
要出样片，懂感通。
開嗌叫無停，
開嗌叫無停。叫無停就是哭不停了 You can't stop crying because it's so touching 好感动怎么说
懂感通
懂感通 That means very touching, very moving, okay? Another scenario is when kids can't find their parents and they start crying, right? 小朋友找不到妈妈站在路边哭泣
小朋友尋唔到阿妹
小朋友尋唔到阿妹
佢都嚕順叫
佢都嚕順叫Now that you know these phrases, let's teach you some of the words that are useful. 感動 touching.
感通
感通 and then can't find 找不到
尋唔到
尋唔到 and it's all about crying 哭啊
叫
Thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
俺是誰張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.